My people, a long time, you know, soon, you know, a long time, man, but me have to jump on, you have to say hello and tell you know what I've been up to. I have been very busy rehearsing with Marcia Brown Production. Lord, what a lovely cast. Then talented, you say, but back to the point, you know, Marcia Brown Production, I Need to Know My Father, Part 2.
Hey, Marcia Brown Production is coming with I Need to Know My Father Part 2, the sequel. 5 performances across the city. Saturday, June the 20th at the Jamaican Canadian Centre at 8 p.m. Then right back at the Jamaican Canadian Centre Father's Day Sunday for 2 performances at 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. Then Pickering on Saturday, June the 27th at the Apostolic Pentecostal Church at 7 p.m. Then off we go to Brampton on Sunday, July the 5th at the Rose Theatre at 6 p.m. Get your tickets now because I Need to Know My Father Part 2, the sequel. I go mad, you know. 416-843-8787. If you don't need information, call we now.
So listen, me don't talk. I need to see all of Uno dear and all of the Mama Selva followers. Uno, come on, man. Go and support Mama Selva, man. And most importantly, support Marcia Brown Productions. She's always for the culture, for the people, them. Alright, see you, Uno.